floor is for our mass production product line. So come in, follow me. So when we come inside, first step is we need to wearing a shoe cover, because you can see the floor. We have to keep it very clean and avoid any sand or stone to make any damage for our cat. At first thing, all of our workers are well experienced for spinning the product, so they could treat every product very carefully when it's spinning to meet your high standard request. We divided into different small rooms here, just storage different products for semi-products. You see some finished and some unfinished products, just in case to avoid something make a confusion. So we just put it one by one in different small rooms for different things. Why the panty is waterproof? One set is the fabric we will use with PU coating, and just like PU 2000, PU 3000 or PU 5000 mm. And another side is we will use this machine, which will be sealed on the tent after stitching, and then it will be covered stitching hole, so it will be waterproof.